Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how I win giveaways. These are 17 giveaways that I have won. I started entering in giveaways about 2 years ago, and so since then this is what I've won. And this is just so you know that my methods actually work. So the first general rule for giveaways is you have to enter. Now this may seem like an obvious rule, but if you don't enter, you can't win. A lot of times I see in the comments section on Instagram or YouTube giveaways that people aren't going to enter because they know they won't win. So think about it like this. If you are 1 out of 10 entries, you have a 10% chance of winning. If you're 1 out of 100 entries, you have a 1% chance of winning, so on and so on. But if you are 0 out of 10% chances of winning, you have a 0% chance of winning. It might be difficult, but looking for small giveaways will increase your chances of winning. As you can see, if you are 1 of 10 entries, you have a much higher chance of winning than if you are 1 of 100 entries. But you should only enter giveaways for prizes that you actually want to win. Now think about what you're going to do with the prize once you win, if you do win. You might want to keep the prize or give it to someone you know, and if you only enter in giveaways where you'll use the prize or give it to someone you know, that'll keep the entry levels low. So let's say there are 20 entries in a giveaway, 10 people who do not want the prize and 10 people who do. Everyone in that giveaway has a 5% chance of winning. But if only 10 people enter, the 10 people who really do want the prize, those 10 people have a 10% chance of winning. That's twice as much as if there were 10 people who do want the prize and 10 people who don't. You should enter only real giveaways. Look for an end date. Look for the follower to prize ratio, which I'll get into in the next slide, and look for multiple giveaway posts from the same source with no reason. If you see any of those red flags, the giveaway might not be a real giveaway, and it might be a way for the giveaway host to get a lot of likes, followers, subscribers, or so on, quickly without any real content. People won't give out huge prizes when their channel or page is small. Usually fake giveaways are held to get followers or subscribers quickly and easily. A lot of fake giveaways have things like MacBooks, expensive makeup, gift cards, and things like that that have a lot of value, and a lot of people would enter. If you give your information to these giveaways, you're risking your information, and you're also just wasting your time, because usually there is no prize. Make sure you follow all of the rules. Check back on the post to make sure the rules haven't changed. You can save the video or photo on Instagram or YouTube to make sure that you go back and look at the rules again before the end date. Don't spam or beg to be the winner. This is a sometimes unwritten rule, and many hosts will not choose you as the winner if you ask to be the winner, and they'll likely ban you from future giveaways. For Facebook giveaways, the more you enter, the more you'll see. These are somewhat tailored to what you want, but many are sponsored by brands. On Facebook, you'll often see posts with a little sign-up button in the bottom right corner. If you click on it, you'll have to enter your name and email address, and sometimes other information. This is one of the easiest ways to enter giveaways. On YouTube, you should save your videos to a playlist to go back and watch before the giveaway is over. Many people use Gleam.io, Rafflecopter, or Google Docs to set up giveaways because it's easy to keep track of entries, and people can complete multiple entries so that they can have more chances of winning. You should watch the whole video to hear all of the rules. Sometimes people will sneak a rule into the video to make sure you've watched the whole thing. If you're on the computer, you can speed them up so you can get through them faster. Just go to Settings, Speed, and I like to use the ×2 feature. For Instagram, there are a lot of different do's and don'ts, so I've compiled them into a list. Instagram is one of my favorite platforms for giveaways. You can make a second account that you are active on for a hobby, like photography, makeup, etc., and use this as a giveaway account for extra entries, but don't make an account just for reposting giveaway posts. You'll probably be disqualified from giveaways. You should check your DMs at least once a day. Usually winners only have 24 hours to respond to a giveaway before they choose another winner. Don't forget to be active on all your accounts that you use to enter a giveaway every day. You should go back to the giveaway posts and tag friends more than once, only if the giveaway host says you can for unlimited entries. But you should not spam the post with tags if the rules state you can only enter once, or if you're going to do it so many times that Instagram stops you from commenting. You should look for contests. These usually have less entries because people don't want to enter contests. But they're not always based on talent or skill, so just entering will give you a chance of winning. You should not post an entry that you did not create, such as artwork or pictures that you found on Google. Hosts will reverse search your pictures and disqualify you from future giveaways and the current giveaway, even if you were chosen as the winner. You should follow hosts that you like for their content and continue to follow them after the giveaway is over. If they have future giveaways, then you'll be alerted about them because you are still following them. You should not follow someone for a giveaway and then follow them right afterwards. This is rude and you will likely be banned from future giveaways. Do tag friends and people you know would like the giveaway prize so they can enter as well. Don't tag business, celebrity, or inactive accounts because hosts can easily check and disqualify your entries. Again, these are not 100% guaranteed to work, but these tips will make it more likely that you will win someday. Thank you for watching and good luck to everyone entering giveaways.